Always.
If she did it, you should be able to do it,
Light
right?
on?
Yes, it's like
Okay.
if she did it and she's been the worst, she said, then you should do it tippy toes for me. Very good. Then you should have no problem. Plus you have the bigger feet. That should be in favor.
Is this a breaking stop or a coasting stop?
Just depends, but probably more of a coast stop.
I can go?
Yep, bye-bye.
Points for knocking the stump over and you still landed. Zip is clear, all the pressure is on you. All the pressure is on you.
Holy crap. You pushed it like
What happened to it?
You pushed it like a
You got this big!
If she messed up, you know what, though?
I felt like I was flying.